Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy text from image. You don't need to install any software to do this. So let's start. First of all, open gmail.com. Here you have to click on this Google Apps icon. Scroll down and click on Drive app. It will redirect you to Google Drive. So you can see this image has some text. Now you have to upload image into Google Drive. Just drag and drop image into Drive. After uploading, click on Options and select Open with Google Docs. The image will be open in Google Docs. As you can see, text is underneath the image. You can copy this text to Word document or any other editor. Or you can download this document in Word document or PDF file. You can see the PDF file has been downloaded and text is inside PDF file. You can also copy this text from image like this. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.